Welcome to the Grilling Oasis, where we relax, chill, and grill. I am OT. Got something for you, family. Dollar Tree pork loin chop. If you're tight on funds, go to the Dollar Tree, get you a Dollar Tree pork loin chop. We're gonna cut it up, see what it do. Gonna put it on the grill. Gonna wash them all. We got a little T-bone in there. And then we're gonna season them. We got our favorite seasonings. Seasoning salt. We don't want to season one side because it's thing. Creole seasoning. Garlic powder. All right, Grill Nation, we got our pork chop. Gonna stick them on top of the fire. We're gonna let them cook maybe 5 minutes on each side. All right, family, we're gonna check on our Dollar Tree pork chop. We're gonna flip them over. The other side is cooked. See the char in there. Gonna let it cook a little bit more. All right, family, we got our Dollar Tree pork chop. We're gonna check the internal temperature. Now for pork, you want the internal temperature to be 145 before it can come off the grill. So we're gonna see what it is. All right, 145. So it's done. So we're gonna take it on off. And we wanna let it rest for about 3 minutes. Kind of let it rest a little bit. And then we're gonna try it. We're gonna pair it with a pineapple that we soaked in tequila and grilled it. Check out one of the videos. It's gonna show you how we did that. And then we're gonna try it. So I'll see you in a second, fam. Alright, family, so we're going to try our Dollar Tree pork loin chop. And we have some tequila roasted pineapples. And I have some tequila that we infused with the pineapple juice that we soaked them in. We save that juice. You don't want to throw that away. We're going to sip that first. Ooh. That's good right there. Now we're going to try our pork chop. See, it's done. Let's try it. Well, fam, I didn't really like it. Even on a bad day, that wasn't good. But for $1, we had to try it to see what it was all about. But it was a little fatty. I didn't really like the texture of the meat. So I'm not going to recommend it. Thumbs down. But we tried it on the Grilling Oasis. Family, I forgot to tell you about the pineapple. The pork chop was so bad. So let me review the pineapple right quick. So this is the tequila roasted pineapple. That pineapple good. Thank goodness for it. Because that pork chop ruined my taste buds. But thank you for joining me, family. We'll see you next time on the Grilling Oasis.